Hey, ladies and gents, it's your girl Khadija L, and welcome back, you guys. Yes, I am back. I know I've been missing for a minute, but I promise I am going to do better with these YouTube videos because I miss y'all. I miss it all. I miss y'all watching me slay, and that's exactly what you're looking at today. This video is basically just going to be a watch me slay video. I'm not going to be talking in this video today. I'm just going to be basically show you guys how I get the finished look. So, one thing I do want to point out is that I am going to be using here by ERICKA J's adhesive, and you guys, I love it. It works wonders. That's been the only glue I've been using now for like a month or so, and probably 2 months, probably longer than that. But yeah, I really love this glue. It's great. I am installing a lace frontal wig today, and this is my best friend that you guys see. She bought this wig from a girl. All I had to do was pluck it and bleach the knots again and all that good stuff, and that finished look, you guys, is gorgeous. If you are new here, welcome, and I welcome you. I'm glad to have you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, you guys, and comment below what other videos you want to see. What questions do you have? I'm here to answer them. So talk to me, and baby, I will talk to you. Anyway, again, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Some of my videos are doing so great. I've got 10k 9k views, and I am super excited. Like, I've been ecstatic, and that's why I'm going to start putting out more videos, you guys, just for you to watch and, you know, be knowledgeable of stuff. And I'm still learning as I go, so I want to take you guys on this journey with me, because this is only the beginning. And I'm going to do a about me video just to, you know, let you guys know a little bit about me, because I haven't done one of those and you guys rarely see me. So anyways, again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. that hair is slayed, honey. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Bye, ladies and gents.